This is the Helpful Lockpicker here, and the video I have for you today is an update video on my 4,000 subscriber giveaway. What I'd like to do first is just say thank you to everyone that has helped support my channel and help it grow to where it is today. Thank you so much by subscribing, liking, sharing, and commenting on my videos. Interacting with you guys is a lot of fun, and I really enjoy responding to every comment and making videos per people's request. Without you guys, this channel would not be where it is today, and I'd just like to say thank you. What I'd like to do is help start giving back to the community in a different way. I am very happy to have my part in the community currently as someone that helps people learn and be an educational resource for those starting out. But another important thing I'd like to do is start increasing the frequency of my giveaways. And I'd like to thank Briarberry Cove so much for all his generous donations, including his donations towards this giveaway. If you guys ever have any items that you would like to see in one of my giveaways, please feel free to contact me via email, and I'd be happy to help set that up. Increasing the giveaways, I think, would be a really great way to help start giving back to the community. But what do we have today? The original 4,000 subscriber giveaway included this clear acrylic padlock with the grub screws in it, so you can help progressive pin it and take it apart very easily. And I included some security pins so you could help learn them better and be able to progressive pin through those. I have spools and serrated driver pins. What else is included is this Gozo lockpick set, which I think works pretty well. It's a pretty good set and has a really nice case. And then on top of that, I've added a few more things. Why I added some more items was the original winner of this giveaway never came forward, and we're going to need to do a redrawing. But it is not your fault that he did not answer, so I wanted to add a couple more things just to increase the value of the giveaway. The first thing I have is this cool little wafer lock. It doesn't have a housing, so you can't really pick it because it has nothing to lock, but I find it to be a really great visual aid. How the wafer locks work is the wafers will protrude up like this, and there'll be a little notch area where they will sit in the housing. Since these are sticking up, when you turn it, it will not be able to turn because it will be inside that little notch. But when you insert the right key, it will pull all the wafers down, and nothing will be obstructing the core from turning, and then the lock will open. So I find this to be a really fun little visual aid for someone that's learning about wafer locks. So I figured, why not include that? The next item I'm going to include is going to be this little cheap wafer lock that you can see here, this little padlock. What I did was I filed down the key and made a skeleton key. So now for every lock of this type, you're going to have a key that will open them. The skeleton key works very well. You just insert it and twist, and it will open up every lock of this type very quickly. The next item I'm going to include is going to be this American lock cylinder. When I was going through some of my stuff, I saw this in there and figured I should just include it for the fun of it. I do not have a key to it. I've never picked it, and I'm not exactly sure how well it works, but it'll be yours to play with. It does look like it's pinned up to 6 pins, and it'll be a fun little lock to experiment with. Now the final lock is a little bit of a challenge for you. It's not a challenge lock. It is going to be more of a test of your skills. What I have done here is I raked this lock open, and it initially raked open in about 2 seconds, and it opened very easily. But what I have done is I've gotten this random key that fits in the lock pretty well. What I challenge you to do is file this key down and turn this into a working key. What I like about this is that the key already has all the spacing. It's already partially filed down on some of the bitting, so it will make this a lot easier for someone that is learning to file a key for the first time, and that will be a fun little learning exercise for you. But if you cannot pick this lock open, you give up, or you just want a working key to it, I will include the key bitting code for this lock, so you'll be able to get a code cut key made very easily. So in this giveaway, we're going to include this lock. We're going to have the American cylinder, the warded lock with the skeleton key, the wafer lock without the housing, and then we have the clear acrylic lock with some added security pins and the Gozo lockpick set. So how are we going to be able to enter to win this? In order to keep this fair, this giveaway will be closed to the people that entered in the previous giveaway only. I would like to increase their chances of winning. So what I'm going to do is, if you entered in the giveaway prior for my 4,000 subscriber giveaway, you are eligible to enter. But what I want you to do is leave a comment in this video stating that you would like to re-enter the giveaway, and then you will be noted. This will help increase your chances, because if you entered in the previous giveaway and this giveaway, your name will be in, but maybe not all the people that entered in the previous giveaway are going to watch this video and enter. So my thoughts are, if you watch the previous video and you watch this video, you're going to be very serious about winning, and I'd like to help increase your chances of winning. But as the rules were before, if you entered, you need to be in the continental United States for me to ship this out to you, and please leave a comment below saying that you would like to enter. Also, I'm going to keep this open until this Friday, and then we will make a follow-up video announcing the winner. But thank you guys so much for checking out this video. If you guys have any questions or suggestions, please leave them in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video and you'd like to see more like it, please subscribe. As always, thank you so much for checking out this video, and I hope you all have a great day. And please check out the description of the video below, and I'll put the rules in just so they are very clear. Thank you.